everyone! Welcome back to our channel, English with Family. Today I have some common question for Hudodod. Let's get started. The first question is, how many days are in a week?
There are 7 days in 1 week. There are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yeah, perfect. The second question is, how many letters are in English alphabet?
26.
Yes, that is right. Alright, the third question is, what is the largest animal in the world?
Blue whale.
Yes, that is right. How many seasons are in 1 year?
There are 4 seasons in a year. There are spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Yeah. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because we can go to the swimming pool and swim.
Yes, that is good. Okay, the next question is, which bird lays the largest egg?
Ostrich lays the largest egg. It's bigger than your head.
Yeah, that is right.
Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like soup? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like chocolate soup? No, I don't. Yucky, mucky. Do you like fish? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like milk? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like fish milk? No, I don't. Yucky. Like cupcake? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like chicken? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like cupcake chicken? No, I don't. Yucky. Guys, I hope you enjoy our video. If you like it, like it. If you love it, subscribe. Thanks for watching and
Bye bye.